What came first, the chicken or the egg? A question as old as time itself, pondered by philosophers and scientists alike. It's an age-old conundrum that beckons us into a world of biological mysteries, evolutionary sciences, and genetic wonders. Let's delve deeper into the enigma. The question hinges on the process of evolution. According to the theory of evolution, species change gradually over generations, with new traits becoming dominant. So, in theory, there was a bird that wasn't quite a chicken, but something similar. This proto-chicken, as some may call it, laid an egg, which hatched into what we'd recognize today as, well, a chicken. Now, you might be wondering, but what about the egg? Doesn't it take a chicken to lay a chicken egg? Well, not exactly. You see, the egg is merely a vessel, an incubator of sorts for the next generation. The defining traits of the offspring are determined by the DNA within the egg, which is impacted by both parents. So, in the scenario of our proto-chicken, it mated with another bird of its species, and their combined DNA resulted in an egg that contained the first true chicken. Therefore, from a genetic perspective, the egg came first. However, there's another angle to consider. If we're defining a chicken egg by what lays it, rather than what emerges from it, then the chicken would come first. This perspective relies more on the semantics and definitions than the genetic and evolutionary sciences. So what is the answer? Well, it depends on your perspective. If you're looking from a genetic viewpoint, then the egg takes the precedence. But if you're leaning more towards semantics and definitions, then the chicken would be your answer. In the grand scheme of things, the chicken and the egg dilemma illustrates the cyclic nature of life and evolution. It reminds us that life is a continuous, interconnected web, where the end of one cycle becomes the start of another. To summarize, the question of what came first, the chicken or the egg, hinges on the process of evolution and the definition of what constitutes a chicken egg. From a genetic perspective, the egg came first, hatched from a bird that was almost but not quite a chicken. However, if we define a chicken egg by what lays it, then the chicken came first. It's a fascinating exploration into the mysteries of life and evolution, one that encourages us to think deeper and question the world around us.